Burnham steam boiler. She's a steamer. Oh, look at that. Finally a pressure control that's set correctly. Should be 0.5 on the main and 0.5 on the differential. When did it stop working? Last week? So no heat for a week or weekend? Let's see if we got a pilot.
There was a power outage.
Okay. When's the last time you had some maintenance done on this thing? Well, I could tell. So for starters, there's no pilot. The gas is off. Who turned the gas off? You did? Why? Turned everything off. You turned everything off. Okay. Do you have a barbecue lighter or a match? You have a lighter? A match? Okay. We're going to try relighting the pilot. You got the wash machine running over there. I got running water over there. Let's go see what's running over there. Yeah. French drain, groundwater. We're going to try relighting this pilot. Wish I had my kneecaps, my knee pads. So on top of the gas valve, we have on and pilot. We're going to put this to pilot. Make sure the power's off, especially since that's right against that there. We're going to try relighting this pilot. We're going to hold this down for a little bit. You notice that the pilot was on before? Or no, you just turned everything off?
My brother tried. My brother, and he replaced that.
He changed this, the thermocouple. Okay. And it didn't work still? It didn't work?
It didn't turn off everything. Just
Okay. It's okay. Let's see what happens. Holding that down. Pilot's still lit. Let's see what happens when we let it go. Uh-huh. That's good. Now, let's put our combustion cover plate back on. I don't like that it's there, but it looks factory to me. Now, let's turn this back to on. All right, low water cutoff is cycling. Is that silicone on there? Yeah, that's silicone on there. Silicone. Silicone parts are made for toys, not for sight glasses. Wow. Oh, that's no fun. Yep, that was out on safety. Watch what happens now when she turns on the thermostat. Boom! No, I'm just joking. Turned it up? Yeah? Nothing happened. Our damper is closed. All right, just gotta get the tool back. All right. We checked for continuity at the rollout switch. She was good. So next we're going to bypass the thermostat. Let's get that in there. Okay. Now our damper is opening. Damper's open. Nothing yet. The damper is open. Just a pilot flame. Let's see. All right, we still have a pilot flame. Let's check our we got a bad rollout. I mean, spill switch. I called it. We reset it. All right, put the thermostat back together. There's the white and the red coming from the thermostat relay inside there, but now she's not doing anything. Let's go to the thermostat. All right, 64 heat. It's set to 85. Alright, so I bypassed the thermostat with the Wago. Let's go see if she's running. Alright, so we have a bad spill switch. I'm going to use the field controls. The GSK3, 180 degree manual reset. This will work perfectly. I'm going to put it right there. Look, they even have a screw hole for us right there. All right, there's our new spill switch. Put the cover back on. Get them back in operation.